Fufu ni aben kwan me dina no pa ewiane yimre.
Oh, Adriana me pay rice and stew.
Wow.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is I don't know, take the kokonte.
You serious?
Abetie eno.
You serious?
Face the wall, kokonte.
Adriana bang na pepper.
Fufu ne abumabun kwan. This is my favorite one so far.
That you na be adwuma be.
Na no amutu.
Ah?
Emutu.
Na be no. That's right.
I shall feel my kwaba eba cooking with Sindaco sene yaba be pie mu ewo La Paz. Yane amanfo be kasa afeduane a mo pepa ho ene kwan a mo fa so eno ano midin e de Rahel oba pa me enene meni amanfo twetwe nkomo ye de ama.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is I don't know, take the kokonte.
Go ask your grandfather.
Abetie eno. Face the wall, kokonte.
Most of the people are not feeling well.
With palm nut soup. And how do I cook it?
God have mercy upon us.
Well, the flour is there, and they'll boil it and they'll can it. They'll can it. Yeah.
You don't know how to cook. You buy.
I can cook it. I can cook it like.
You serious?
The flour. When you put the flour in hot water, then you stir it till it's soft to your liking, and then you serve it with your soup.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Have you ever cooked food that you yourself you've tasted it and you've seen that this is the worst food you've ever cooked before?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Probably a jollof. When it messed up, like the water wasn't enough, then like there'll be some hard parts in it. Yeah.
Adriana bang na pepper.
Oh, Adriana me pay rice and stew.
Okay, so rice and stew no. How do you prepare it?
For me mediano there. Me twitwa me jene. Me brandy jene ni bi.
What?
Me brandy jene ni bi.
God have mercy upon us.
Mama brandy na metro ho. Ansana me di jene na ankasa me be twitwa gum no. Me twitwa gum. Nti me wi a na me de me moko no aka ho.
Keep doing it.
Nti me di moko no wi a me toast no so me brandy bi a me de be den. Ebe na me twitwa obi so aden. Aka so de be a stew no be den. Ebe de.
Perfect.
One way Adriana am na a bomb like Adriana we dey enye deda.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Sometimes to me yes sir. I say enye de bia no be Adriana be de. De bi o Adriana bi wo wa. O ya enye de.
That was easy.
Adriana bang na pepper.
Fufu ne abumabun kwan.
Oh my.
Me no me di dwa wi a na me dwa manche no. Wi a na me de bode aguso. Na me de asija so. Odi nsuo gu ho na de asija so. Nsuo na de begu ho. To bo ase na fagu a ese hu a begu janum.
Perfect.
Ti no anu an fine. Be wa ya kakra no ahwe se abia. Abia no aye wo nkwan abo abu nkwan. Na de sis o de nkwan na si so. Awhoro na magu that is sribanim.
What?
Sribanim. We are not doing what to check Jende and cats here. Now they're gum. Now they see just what's now they see just. We did see just who we are. We are now our fufu. Our fufu half and body. In the word.
You get it?
In the word.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Adriana bang na pepper.
Fufu ni aben kwan.
This is my favorite one so far.
Na saying na wo no awo.
Me do Saturday Sunday na me wo fi. The Saturday Sunday dey.
Kwan.
Fufu ni aben kwan. Me dina no pa ewiane yimre.
E kwan bang na ofa so no awo fufu no aben kwan.
Oh Sunday me wo fi dey se me wa ko didwa. Ma ba dwa si so. E se me nyamre. Go se dwa na me no. Se da ma nyamre me nyamre me to ade yi. Sa na se me nyamre so na me dey me yedwane no. Nti me nyamre edwane kama me yin na yedi.
You get it?
Me feeling so.
What?
Me feeling so.
God have mercy upon us.
Obi ani kwan ofa so ye na ben kwan.
Me to abe na mawo.
What?
Ben kwan.
Me to abe na mawo. Me di sisu na ma no a bia na mawo na ma twa ma ho na siso. Sana me ye me kwan. Me to me di poku. Emane, salmon, any dry fish, abejan de no. Dry one. na me da mix na me de kakọ kakra wo no na me de mamone kakra tum
Ebon ofia dodo momone na ebon dodo
one way aduane bi a wa hu se aduane a no aye die enye de krada
me ta ebi wono madam minister na me aduane de enye de kra Saudi mitumi ya pa na enye de eso mi ami hu se aduane de enye de
God have mercy upon us.
aduane bayi na opepa
aduane a me pepa ni rice and stew na me de no se na me pe ni se
Keep doing it.
me di oye kakra besi so
Believe in it.
na ma chi ni kakra me wi na me di so kakra gusu nso ni fi upa na ma hata so kwan me hata so na hit na kasa ben eni wache
Perfect.
we still no so say na oye no
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
still no so no me pe ntosa me di so she kakra be wo she ho na me yi
God have mercy
ne
upon us.
hu no e wo ho me yi ne hu no na me twitwa me yi aba no wo na me twitwa na enu an se me di we ni sisu a oye ni sisu a na me de gum na me de nti kwan na abano na ma blend with green pepper.
What?
Na abano na ma blend with green pepper.
God have mercy upon us.
one way aduane a wow kan na o se aduane we die anko ye ye bomb
Sometimes bia na me pese me ye bibi kritiksesia na me di ntosi no me twitwa ntosi na egum me wi na me di pepper bibia egum me wi a me hu se anye de
me ba che aduane bayi pa na wo pe
aduane a me pe ye friend kukuba no so no for aduane a ya omoye eno no like obefa ye the beans na beans no obekwa okwa mechanical on na wa nyam no onyam no wi a na odi a mix with nsuo wi a na wa ye no to say round bi na odi a go nsuo within 30 to 35 minutes no na abin sa no omoye no eno no my favorite food pan
eti wa woni mo no ana ye obi ne no amo
like me mother na ye ba say the oya mention no so at times meet me aye
abusiafo omanfo ayekọ hye omamadwen kire efa aduane omo pepa ne se de omo no ano no eno ho se mo na motie koso a na hwe cooking with Sindaco share subscribe ema obi anso enya bi hwe bye bye.